Hello, in this video we'll be unboxing Q60T QLED TV made by Samsung. After opening the box you can find a plastic bag containing user manual, Samsung Smart Remote, 2 AA batteries, power cable, CI card adapter and TV stand legs. It is recommended that at least 2 people would pull out the TV of the box so you won't risk damaging it. Try to hold the TV by the white foam protective strips. TV stand legs just push into the holes on the bottom of the TV frame. Unfortunately, I have not made a footage how does it slides in, but I'm pretty sure we'll figure it out as it is really simple. You can see the CI card adapter, a power cable, and the shiny metal finish Samsung Smart Remote. While unboxing, some of you might be wondering, what's the difference between Q60T versus Q65 TV models? The answer is just the coloring of the frame. Q60T has a black frame and Q65T has a gray one. On the back of the TV we can find 400 by 400 mm VESA wall mount. Speaking about the ports, we have LAN, 3 HDMI, 2 USB, composite in AB and RF input ports. I hope this video was informative and thank you for watching.